Today's episode of the Jordan Middlebrook Show is going to be bonkers. Why is it going to be bonkers? Well, one, because I got a fake Christmas tree behind me, and number two, I got a skeleton beside me. Stick around. We'll be right back. I say again, I am not a medical professional. Want some? Hey, I'm Jordan Middlebrook, and I am not one to give medical advice. If you have any questions that has to do with your health in any way, shape, or form, I want you to reach out to your local medical professional. Don't get advice from some dude on the internet. I am some dude on the internet. Today we're talking about chiropractic care. Chiropractic care. I was able to reach out to local chiropractor, Dr. Samantha Duncan, to ask a few questions about chiropractic practices. I think that's it. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak with me today, Doctor.
Thanks so much for inviting me on the show, Jordan.
Dr. Duncan, what would you say to somebody, a potential patient, that would help ease their fears about seeing a chiropractor?
The biggest fear that I hear a lot of people saying, especially when they come to the chiropractor, is that they're scared of these adjustments or these loud cracking motions that they've seen on YouTube or other various video platforms. I want to assure you that the adjustments or that cracking is not the only thing that we can do as chiropractors. There's many other different tools that we can use during our treatments.
Cool.
And at the end of the day, it is up to the patient consent what they feel comfortable with during the treatments.
The bones of the body. A chiropractor is a healthcare professional that focuses mainly on the spine and the joints of the body. Chiropathic. A chiropractor, they don't crack your neck, they adjust the joints. Your neck and your back, they adjust them.
During an adjustment or manipulation, you might hear a popping or cracking sound. This is actually just gas being exchanged through the joints.
They bring back normal movement to where it needs to be. So saying cracked is bad because they don't crack your neck. Chuck Norris would crack necks. Dr. Duncan, what is one common misconception about the chiropractic studies that you want to debunk?
So the biggest misconception that I hear about chiropractic care is that chiropractors crack your bones. This is actually just gas being exchanged through the joints. Another misconception that I hear about chiropractors is that we only treat our necks and our backs. This actually isn't true either. Chiropractors can treat our whole musculoskeletal system, which includes all of our muscles, bones, and joints in our body, such as your hip, knees, and ankles.
I see a chiropractor maybe once a year because my body has a tendency to slowly lock up. So I get all tense and locked up here. Actually, this shoulder is up a little higher. I go and see a chiropractor and I kind of get it to be just adjusted a little bit and I feel great. It's important to remember that not everyone responds to chiropractic care. Do you see a chiropractor? Edgar, the skin is practically hanging off your bones. That's from Men in Black. I'm not cool. Not cool at all. Does going to see a chiropractor hurt? No. This guy doesn't like any of my jokes. But the same goes for if you go see a massage therapist. They could potentially rub you the wrong way. Rub you the wrong way? Because they're massage therapists. Laugh at my jokes, please. And of course, Dr. Duncan, why did you want to become a chiropractor?
Chiropractic spoke to me for various reasons. Firstly, I love the idea of being in a profession that I can help people every single day of my career.
Yeah, that's cool.
Secondly, I love the idea of being part of the healthcare system and having the opportunity to have undivided time to spend with patients so that all their questions can be answered and they don't feel rushed during their appointments. We as chiropractors have a unique opportunity to help people in a patient-centered model with evidence-based care to help everyone who struggles with musculoskeletal pain every single day get to their greatest potential.
That's cool. Dr. Samantha Duncan, I can't thank you enough for taking the time to speak with me and the rest of my internet audience, all of them, every single one of them. Of course, if you want to get a hold of Dr. Samantha Duncan, you can find her at drsamanthaduncan.ca or on Instagram at dr.samanthaduncan. When it comes down to it, I want you to make the best decision for your body. I am not a medical professional. He ain't listening. Make the best decisions for yourself. Do your research, just like everything else. What a stiff. Sometimes this guy's just distracting. Chiropractic care.